Hello, question 20. A pattern is made from 4 congruent right angled triangles. So that congruent word means that they are the same. Okay, so in exactly the same way. The line AC is parallel to the x-axis. The point A has a coordinate of 4, 9, and the point B has a coordinate of 17, 2. Work out the coordinates of point C and D. So we're going to have to do a little bit of work here to work out the lengths of these triangles and find out what the coordinates are. The parallel to the x-axis is really important, which means that as we go from A to C, the line is going to be the same distance apart, which means that we're going to have 9 for our y coordinate on C. So initially, we can scroll down and put 9 in there. Okay, let's look at this triangle. We've got 9 as that y coordinate in here. Not really too sure what the x coordinate is, but the 9 is very important because it links with the 12 of the y coordinate for point B. And that means that that triangle starts at 9, finishes at 12, which means that it will have a base length of 3. Well, I say a base length, that's a height, but that shorter side is going to be 3. That means that we can work out some other things. So, for example, now if I go across by 3, that means this coordinate here is going to be 7, 9. The next coordinate is going to be 10, 9. And then to get from here to here, we now know that we're going to move across from 10 to 17, meaning that we have got a height of 7 or a base of 7, or the bigger length, well, not the bigger length, the second biggest length is 7. The biggest length, of course, is the hypotenuse, but the biggest length in the two that we're looking at. So that is a length of 7, meaning that as we now go across, we've got 4, 7, 10, and 17 into here. Now that helps us with coordinate D. We know that D will have an x coordinate of 10 because I've worked out what the x coordinate is of this part here. So D is going to have 10 there. And because the length of this triangle is 7, we can do 9 take away 7, which gives us 2. So that will be our y coordinate for part D. Finally, we need to finish off C. We've got 17 here. We know that this length is also 7. So that's going to make that x coordinate 17 plus 7, which is 24. So 24 goes into here. Now there's 5 marks for this. So there's lots of opportunity to gain marks. Make sure that you're showing all your workings. Even if you can only work out the 3 or you can work out the 7, that's going to earn you a couple of marks irrespective of the coordinates you put. But do make sure you put something. So that's question 20 done. See you at question 21.